Alright, Amaneci brazos, violin 1. Key of C, no sharps. We're going to take it slow. Starting down bow, a slur. 1, 2, 3. Amaneci otra vez. And again, that's a triple F. So triple F 1. So 13 again, slow. 2, 3. Next part, 1, 1, 1. Next part, 2, 3, 1. And again, that's 2, 3, 1. Next part, 2, 23, 2, 3, 1. And we're going to move on. This next part, we're going to go over. We're going to go over this part again. So 25. And we're going to continue moving on. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, that's a D. I'm sorry, my mistake. So it's 2, 3, 2, 3. Next part's going to be up bow, slur, bounce. Those dots are like staccato notes. So we're going to bounce the bow. So again, it's up bow and down. Again. Staccato again. And it's F natural. Alright. So again, to do that, to go from that D, I would recommend and then shift to position 5, which first finger is C. So you're right. Next part, starting on D. And we're going from B to third position with the slide. Same thing, but sounds nicer like that. So again, it's measure 50. Next part. Alright, that's retardando, so it means it's slowing down. So we're going to slur all those pairs of 8 notes, and we're going to slow down each time we do a new pair. So we're going to skip this part. We're going to just go straight ahead, to the Coda, which is down here. So we're going to go and then it's whoops, sorry, my mistake. This is the part where it says Coda, so we're going to skip all this. So we're going to go to the Coda down here to that B. And then the ending is just like the beginning, but we're going to be doing retardando as well. So and I might change that to tremolo, but we'll see. Here it is.